Hey guys, welcome to your girl Deb's Kitchen Vlog. Yes, guys, just want to say happy Sunday, good evening to you all. Hope you guys are already cooked and eat and relaxing. I'm just getting off from work, and I have a gift that one of my subscribers sent for me. Yes, and it's the auto face tracker. I don't know how good it is, so I'm gonna I just pull the top, see, because you know me, I work by myself. You know, I hardly got help to help me with my cameras and stuff. So guys, I wanted this and I got it. So let's see how it works. Let me see. Right, see, I told you I need help. Yep. Oops, oops. There, what the hell? All the cards and stuff. Okay. There's nothing in there. See? Take it out. This is a stand for it to stand on. Mm-hmm. Oh, and well, oh, this is it. This is it, guys. See, this is it. We got, you can put your phone, you put your phone right here. Got the light right here. Guess you gotta charge it. Turn the light on. Look, guys, see, and it's very wide. Where the phone hook go, see, a big space. And my phone is big. My phone is our Samsung S24 Ultra. I guess I can do this, guys. I gotta read it up, and this is where you put the face and it tracks you and it turns and it turns and it turns. Then I put this on this, screw it in, yes, like this, you know, and it follow you, turn. So guys, when I'm making a video, you will see if it works. And my next video, you guys will see how it goes. So stick and stay, guys. Don't go nowhere. I'm trying to see. I'm not equipped with all this stuff, but you gotta learn. And this is where I'm learning. Yes. So I guess that's that. I don't know what this was. You don't turn on nothing. Ooh. Ooh, okay. It's ready. Guys, it's ready turning. Ooh. 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 And it said, guys, with the sign. And when you press to get it turned, see? It turning. Ooh, it's following me. Ooh, if I go there, it follow follow me, guys. If I go here, it follow me. That's where it's gonna stay on. Yeah, I ain't moving it. Yep. And if you go like this, you can say stop, it stop. Stand by. You see face locking. You see? It turn off, you see? Stand by and it turn off. Guys, so you see guys? Do work. I gotta charge it up and stuff, guys. So guys, just stick and stay, guys. And I think I can manage this, guys. It's easy. I gotta read up the stuff and do it. It's easy. So stick and stay, guys. Okay? It's a good one. I can do this, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, and I'm happy for my gadget. Yeah. I gotta get used to this, guys. See, you can turn it like this. See, you can do like this, turn it over, back way, anywhere, front, forward, left, right. Yes, and then you can do like this, and you can't go down like this, but it would follow you. The light can turn up, and we want to turn the light, it goes. Yes, guys. So it's a good look, guys. It's a good look, and I like this. So it can stretch the width. Got a big phone space. So, guys, stick and stay and watch. Thank you, guys. See that? It's following me, guys. See, I go like that. See? Then I come this way. Come with me. This way. This way. So it works.